Hello friends, so in this video we are going to create food description page. So first of all open your demo page, because now from demo page we are going to remove unwanted content. So next time, every time when we copy this, it will not affect in our code. So I remove. Now our demo page is clean. Now just I am going to copy this demo page and I am going to create new file, name food description, and going to paste this content. Now let's check here. Here you can see when I click on it, it opens this food description.php. Now we are going to modify this page. So from this food description, first of all, we don't need this slider. So I'm going to remove this slider. And here I already opened the shop single page from our project. This is the shop single page. From the shop single page, we need this first product details, because header we are going to keep the same. We are going to add this banner. We are going to keep this same. So we are not going to do anything in header.php. So in shop single, we are going to take this one. We are going to paste here and let's check. Yeah, we have these product details. So in place of product detail, we are going to write food details and we are going to remove this breadcrumb. Yeah, so it looks good. Now we are going to copy these things. We don't need these things. We are going to remove it, but we need these things. So we are going to copy it from shop single. Yeah, this one, shop single section. So I'm going to just copy and paste here. Yeah, okay. So it move continuously. It means some JS we have to copy from here. So from the shop single page, I am going to copy this all the JS and going to paste in bottom. Now I'm going to refresh it and view this over here. Now we are going to remove this description, specification, reviews. So product info tab. Yeah, I removed already there. Now let's check. Yeah, it removes. Now we want these similar product themes over there. So first of all, we are going to close this. Now from shop single, this is the similar product. I am going to just copy and going to paste. Okay, now we have similar product here and we don't need these things over here in this page. So basically from a food description, we have to comment this. Yeah, now it looks good and perfect. Now we are going to make dynamic this content. So we are going to close this shop single page. Here we are going to include, and we are going to add here title. Yeah, we have title. Now we are going to make this dynamic. So here we are going to get that ID first. Now we are going to load the details of product. Now while loop. Now we are going to declare variable over here. Yeah. Now we are going to fill the details on variable. Description, then food image, then food price. For food price, we are going to consider this food discount price, and we need ingredients also. So dollar. Yeah. So we have all the content in our variable. Now we are going to display here. First of all, we are going to display here our image. So dot slash admin slash equal dollar food image. Let's check we are getting our image or not. Yeah, we got some error. So let's check what is the error. Okay, we are not getting our image. So let's check where is the image actually. Yeah. In SRC we have to write, and this href we are going to give empty. Okay, so we got here our image. Now we are going to change the title. Here we have to display our title, food name. Here we have to give food description, and we have to display ingredients also. So here, now let's check how it looks. We got here ingredients also. Now we have to display price. Food price. So we got all the details here. Now this price and this quantity net to cart we are going to perform in next video. But here we are going to display the similar products. So from the similar product, we have to keep here one record only. So other records, we are going to delete other records. We keep here only one record. Now here we need to load food category. So food category is equal to, let me copy from here food category. Okay. Now here we have to move the loop. $res is equal to mysqli underscore query $link See, let's start from food, where food category is equal to dollar food category, where id not equal to dollar id. Means you can see currently we are on this product noodles category. So in noodles we have two record, so we are not going to display the same product over here in similar product, so we are going to exclude this product. That's why we write these things while res. Now just cut these things, paste here. Now we have to set image path, so equal dollar row. Now here we have to give food name, and here we have to give the description paid link. So yeah, now here description, food description. So food description, then here 0 comma 30, and here dot dot, then price. We have to take this column, the same thing over here. Okay, so we write something wrong. Let's check what is the problem. Here we have to write and okay, in similar product we cannot see anything because right now we only one product in this category, so I'm going to add one more product on that category. I'm going to select we have to select one good image first. Okay, I'm going to select this one. We have to add inside the burger because this is the ID3, it means noodles. It's in Chinese. So here I have to select Chinese. Okay, now here we can see one product is similar. You can see. Now when I click on it, it followed on food description, and here in similar product we can see the alternate product. So this way we can create food description page. In next video we are going to start work on this add to cart, but here we have to give link in home page. So next video I will show you also how we can change the menu also here. Thank you so much. If you like my video then please like it and share it and subscribe it. Thank you so much.